Amid a controversy over the NDA's prime ministerial nominee, now with the rift between the JDU and the BJP completely growing, the JDU has said that the BJP has other leaders also who can lead the nation. The JDU is making its preference for the BJP President Rajnath Singh and Sushma Swaraj very clear.
कोएलिशन हमारी लंबी है, बिहार में हमारी सरकार अच्छी चल रही है। नीतीश कुमार ने स्वयं कहा इस बात को। मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहूंगा कि हमारी गठबंधन कब रहेगी, कब टूटेगी, ये कैमरा पे मुझे लगता है या अखबारों में फैसला नहीं होना है। बैठक होगी, विचारों का लेन देन होगा। पहले भी बात हुई है और बात हो रही होगी, शीर्ष नेताओं से हो रही है। और मैं समझता हूं कि अभी हमारे पार्टी का जो लाइन था, जो हमारे पार्टी का मन था, मंतव्य था, हम क्या चाहते हैं अपने एलाइज के साथ, नीतीश कुमार ने स्वयं दिल्ली में रहकर इस देश के जनता को और हमारे जो एलाइज को बड़ी साफ तरीके से उन्होंने बताकर और दिल्ली से गए हैं।
अगर घर में बर्तन खनखना रहे हैं तो उसका केवल यही अर्थ नहीं है कि झगड़ा और लड़ाई और झंझट हो रही है। कभी कभी घर में खनखना रहे और घनघना रहे बर्तन स्वादिष्ट भोजन बन रहे हैं, इसका भी एहसास करते हैं। लेकिन जो पड़ोसी हमारी इस खनखनाहट और घनघनाहट को झगड़े के रूप में देख रहे हैं, उनकी नाक ये सूंघ नहीं सकती कि वो स्वादिष्ट भोजन जो है वो कितना स्वादिष्ट है। और उसका एहसास उनको तब होगा जब जो है वो इस बात का एहसास कर चुकेंगे कि उस खनखनाहट और घनघनाहट के पीछे और क्या ताकत और क्या मजबूती है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जनता दल यूनाइटेड का तो ऐसी संभावना दिख रही है कि वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी उस गठबंधन को तोड़ने के विचार कर रही है। मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि जनता दल यूनाइटेड किसी भी परिस्थिति के लिए तैयार है। हमने दिल्ली में भी अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के साथ काम किया और अच्छी सरकार चली, और बिहार में भी पिछले 8 साल से बहुत अच्छा सरकार चल रहा है। और जो आने वाली आगामी लोकसभा की चुनाव है 2014 की, उसमें हमने ये भी कहा है कि हम राष्ट्रीय जनतांत्रिक गठबंधन के साथ रहना चाहते हैं, एनडीए के साथ रहना चाहते हैं।
And Tavleen is with us, in fact, breaking down that big story for us. Now, Tavleen, it's a very interesting statement now coming in from JDU, because the JDU is no longer, talking of snapping ties. It's not even showing a lot of aggression, but the very fact that it's giving now more options to the BJP clearly means that it is not in a hurry to snap the ties.
See, it's very clear. We have to put in perspective, specifically after yesterday's meeting that took place at the BJP party office in the national capital, where Bihar BJP leaders had met Rajnath Singh. It was a clear indication from Rajnath Singh to all the BJP Bihar leaders that wait till the end of this year and a decision will be taken soon after whether or not the alliance will be intact, or for that matter JDU will walk out of the National Democratic Alliance. As far as the JDU is concerned, time and again, even today we have heard that it's almost become an open fight between the BJP and JDU, but any decision that will be taken is something that will be a conjecture at this point of time. It seems that before, it will only happen in a proper party forum. Just a little while ago, when Rajnath Singh spoke to the reporters here, once again it was asked that whether or not the decision could be taken after the Karnataka elections are over. He said very categorically that the right decision will be taken at the right forum with all kind of discussions that will be taken place. But one thing is sure, that the Bihar BJP leaders, that is the government there, the state government there, within conglomeration with the JDU, the leaders there are very miffed after Nitish Kumar's speech on Sunday, where he categorically hit out at Narendra Modi. So we really have to wait and see how things pan out, specifically as it concerns the National Democratic Alliance. But it seems it will take some time before a decision on the alliance breakup will be taken.
Right, Tavleen, do stay on with us. We will come back to you. In the meantime, let's listen into what the BJP President Rajnath Singh had to say about this entire face-off situation.
आपका नाम भी लिया जा रहा है जेडीयू लीडर से कि आपको ही प्रधानमंत्री।
अरे क्या बात, मैं पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट हूँ बाबा।
All right, so Rajnath Singh saying that he is the party president and pretty content with that. Tavleen is still with us. Now, Tavleen, it's not just the JDU stand which has perhaps changed. It has gone a little soft. But even look at what the BJP has done, because the BJP is now coming out more aggressively. It's taken a hard stand and it has taken serious offense to the fact that Nitish Kumar did hit at Narendra Modi.
See, we have to remember that after the new team of Rajnath Singh was announced, Narendra Modi is now a very important member of that particular team. He is in fact a part of the parliamentary board, the highest decision-making body of the BJP. He is a part of the CEC, the Central Election Committee. So obviously party did not take too well to what Nitish Kumar had stated, hitting out at Gujarat Chief Minister in the JDU National Executive that got over just about 48 hours ago. So that is why, very strong reactions were evoked from the BJP leadership, and which is why a meeting of sorts was created yesterday. But remember, Deepthi, that more decisions and more picture, will be clearer on April 18th, where a huge meeting is likely to take place, where Rajnath Singh and all the party leadership will decide on the action that needs to be taken and what is the road forward as far as National Democratic Alliance is concerned in the run-up to the 2014 general election.